हाँ करते हैं, पर ज्वाइन करते हैं। जरा मला होस्ट बनवायची. Okay, so okay, please confirm me whether you can hear me. My voice is clear, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Fine. Okay. All right. Okay. So what we discussed in the last lecture, right? So in the last lecture we have discussed about what is SQL and what is the importance of SQL, that we have discussed in the last lecture, right? And we also discuss about the different databases in the last lecture, like in the as of like there are multiple databases are available, like you have SQL is there, like we have, sorry, SQL is not a database. Okay, many people have the confusion. Many people are also thinking that SQL is a database, but SQL is not a database. Remember that SQL is just a language. SQL is just a language which is mainly useful to communicate with the Oracle database. Many people are getting confused with SQL server and SQL language. Remember that. See, there is a difference between SQL and SQL server. Okay. This SQL server is a database provided by the Microsoft. So everyone know about the Microsoft company, right? So we have a Microsoft, like if you take the example of Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever you are using, this has been created by the company called Microsoft only. Now SQL is a generic language. It's a generic language. It's not a database. So if someone is asking that does SQL is a database, so you should say no. SQL is a language to communicate with the databases. So by using this SQL, you can communicate or you can manage the databases like your Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and multiple other databases are there. All these databases you can manage by using which? By using the SQL. Now, last lecture, if you remember my last lecture, what we have done, we have discussed about how to download the Oracle software. So in the last lecture we have downloaded Oracle 21C Express edition, we have downloaded, right? Express edition we have downloaded. And today we are going to see how to install the Oracle 21C. In today's lecture we are going to see how to install the Oracle database 21C. So this is the lecture which we are going to see in today's lecture. Okay, so that's the plan. That's the plan. We are going to see that. So last lecture we have downloaded the setup, and this setup is available here. This is the setup which we have downloaded in the last lecture, right? So everyone is done with this downloading. Can you please confirm? Please confirm me whether you guys have done with the downloading. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So whether my voice is clear compared to the last lecture, is it good? Nice, right? All good. Fine. Acha. 1 minute, guys. You can't see your screen. 1 minute. Okay. Whenever I'm sharing. Okay, so there was some issue from the people who were watching me from. Now it should be fine. Okay. All right. So just give me a minute, guys. Okay. Okay. Learnomate Technologies. One minute, guys. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. I'm just checking something, and we'll start. Fine. All looks good. 9:13. Fine. Okay. Now everything is fine. Okay. Now let us start. Fine. I'm sorry. I was checking something. Okay. So this is the setup which we have downloaded in the last lecture, right? This is the setup which we have downloaded in the last lecture. Now if you see this setup, basically it will be zip file. Now in my laptop you will see that the zip file are looking something different, like you can see the zip files are looking little different, but your zip file will be in yellow color normally, right? That's not a problem because I'm using for zipping or unzipping, I'm using one more software. We called it as a WinRAR software. That software I'm using. If you want to use that WinRAR software, that also you can use. Like we have download WinRAR. So this software also you guys, if you want to use, you can use that. But if you don't want to use, that's fine. Okay, you can ignore these steps. Not a problem. What I want to show you, just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. So what I want to show you first, this zip file, you need to unzip it. So this is a zip file. What you need to do? You need to unzip it. What you need to do? You need to unzip it. So how are you going to unzip that? I'll show you that part. So what I will do, I'll go to the my computer or this PC, and here I'll create some location. So let me create one location, like I'll use this G drive where I have 367 GB space is available. You can choose any drive where you have around 50 GB space is available. Any drive. You can take C drive, D drive, E drive, whatever drive you have, you can take that and just create a folder over there like G, then create a folder like app, Oracle, then create a folder like, I'm already having that folder, so that is the reason I'm not creating that, 21C, and under that create a folder like DB home, new DB home, DB home. So this folder structure you need to create. Maybe in your case the path will be little different. Maybe you can use C app Oracle 21c DB home, or you can create a path like E app, whatever drives you have, you just need to create that. So what I have done, first of all, create a structure, create a directory structure like this. I'm giving it in the chat option also. Okay, so create a folder like this, create a folder like this, and let me know once it is done. Just create a folder structure. Now how to create a folder, everyone know, right? How to create a folder, everyone know, right? So what you need to do, go to the my computer or this PC, click on the G, then create a folder like app. This folder you need to create. Under app you need to create Oracle. Under Oracle you need to create 21c. Under 21c you need to create DB home. This folder you need to create. You can see on the top. And let me know once it is done. And let me know once it is done. And let me know once it is done. Please use the chat option to say done, done, done once it is done. Please use the chat option so that I'll understand that you people are following me properly. Please use the chat option and let me know once it is done. Please use the chat option and let me know once it is done. Is it done, everyone? Okay, so I see Ramesh is saying done, Surbi is saying done, Aman is saying done, Sridhar is saying done, Aditya is saying done, Patan is saying done, Vaip is saying done, Riya is saying done, Aditya is saying done. Okay, nice. So what I have done, let me repeat it one more time. If you have missed that, click on this PC. Under this PC you can go to any drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, whatever drive you want to go there. Then click on the app, just create a folder like app. If you don't have a folder like app, right click, new, and create a folder, and folder name you need to give app. So app, then you need to give Oracle, then you need to give 21c DB home. This folder structure you need to create. Done. Padmavati is saying done, Govinda is saying done, Pratik is saying done, Pratik, Bhavana is saying done, Jagdish is saying done. Done. All good. Fine. Let me know once it is done. I'm ready to wait, but let me know once it is done. Those people who are watching from YouTube, please let me know once it is done. Nice. I'll wait, not a problem, but let me know once it is done. Nice. Fine. So now what you need to do, so I can see this DB home we have created. Okay, just copy this path from the top by using Ctrl C. This path you need to copy. You can click on the top and copy this path In this path we need to unzip that Oracle software which we downloaded yesterday. So we have a zip file, and that zip file I'm going to unzip it over here in this path. Remember that. So how to unzip? My software is available in the downloads right here. So I'll right click on it. Click on the extract all. Extract all means I'm going to unzip that. Click on the extract all, and then after some time it will ask you where you want to extract. So it will take a time to open that window. Right click, click on the extract all, right click, click on the extract all. Where is that? Okay, so you will find something like this. Here you need to provide the location where you want to extract, or what you can do, you can go to that location, click on the browse, and whatever folder you have created, like I have created in G, then app, then Oracle 21C, DB home, this path you need to select and click on select folder. So what I remember that what I have done, remember that what I have done, we have a zip file and I am trying to unzip it over here, the folder that we have created, and click on extract, and now it has started extracting. Now if I go to that folder here, you will see that it's coming. If I go here to this folder, this is the folder we created, right? I can directly go into that folder. Now here new files are coming. The folder that we have created, here new files are coming. Why? Because we have started extracting over here. Let me repeat it one more time. First of all, we have created this folder, like we have created G, under G app, under app Oracle, then 21C, then DB home. This is what we have created. Later on, the zip file which we have downloaded, this zip file, I am click on the right click, extract all, and you need to provide the location of that G drive. Like click on the browse and go to that location which we have created. Like we created this location, G app Oracle 21C DB home. So I selected that and now you will see something like this. The extraction is in progress. Where is that? The extraction is in progress. Let me know once it is done, guys. Let me know once it is done. The people joining from YouTube channel, let me know once it is done. The name of our YouTube channel is Learnomate Technologies. So if you go here, those people who want to subscribe to us, you can go to our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies. You can go and check from here. I'll share the link in the description, in the chat option also. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also. Are you able to understand, guys? Alka is saying yes, Varun is saying yes, Anna is saying yes, Suraj is saying yes, Aditya is saying yes, Ramesh is saying yes, Monish is saying yes, Vikas is saying yes. Illuri is saying yes, we usually create. Yes, yes, yes. Do not have extract all options. It should be there. It should be there. So basically, so basically, so basically, you need to go here and start doing the extraction. I need to unzip my software here. This is what you need to do. In a very simple way, I can say that the files which you have downloaded here, this is the file, right? This zip file you need to extract means unzip. Where you want to unzip? In this location. Where you want to unzip? In this location. Okay, one request to everyone is that this SQL is very important, guys. So as I said earlier also, this is going to be really helpful for you in your future, not only in just Oracle DBA. If you want to kickstart your journey in data engineer, data scientist, Power BI, data analyst, cloud specific technology, DevOps, or maybe you want to go into the SAP, anywhere, testing, this SQL is going to be playing a very important role. Very important role. So that is the reason I'm saying, like, please take this training seriously. Some of the people might have a confusion like this is a free of cost, so maybe we will not tell you the right way, or maybe some people might have a confusion like they are just doing for promotions. Yes, we are doing for promotions, but it doesn't mean that we are not giving you our 100%. We want our Learnomate name to go each and every corner of this world, because we believe in quality. And being a CEO and being a trainer, I would suggest that, and I can give you assurance that whatever trainings we are providing from our side, that is a quality based training. And this training we usually charge to the multiple people, but this time we are giving it free of cost to help to the DBA community, to help to the freshers, students, or the candidates who is coming from financial background, weak financial background. So consider this as one of the best opportunity and share this information to each and every individual who want to start his journey into the IT industry. Anything which is free of cost, it doesn't mean that it's not good. There are certain things which are good also. So come up to this training with the positive mindset and try to take the advantages of this training. Last time also thousands of people joined, and today also I can see people are joining. And we are going to conduct lot of free sessions on other technologies also. We will do that. Okay, so many people will not be aware about this announcement because they don't know about the Learnomate YouTube channel, they don't know about the Learnomate website. So we are doing that. Okay, we are trying our best to express our thought process to our students. So share this information with all your friends, colleagues, and everyone. Okay, and try to understand this technology free of cost. Again, I am repeating it again and again because many scammers are there around the world. Do not go into any trap. If someone is asking you for the payment or any fee structure for this SQL, especially from my training, I am saying, I don't know about others, but this is free of cost. Current session, whatever it is going, the sessions which I am taking from yesterday, so for next 5 days these sessions will be free of cost. Okay, these sessions will be free of cost, remember that. Okay, so till now what we have done, let me repeat it here. First of all, we have downloaded the Oracle 21C. Okay, this is what we have done. Then the second thing is we have created a directory structure. We have created directory structure. What directory structure we have created? Like I created G, app, Oracle, product. Product is not created. I think 21C, DB home. This thing I have created. We have a zip file, right? This zip file you need to unzip it into this location. For that we just right click on the zip file, and there was an option was available called extract all. So when I click on the extract all option, it will take some 5 minutes to extract your software over here, and now I can see the files are available here. The files are available here. Okay. Now what I will do, let me do one thing. So this is this is what I can see. This is what I can see. This is what I can see after the extract. I think everyone should have something like this. I think everyone should have something like this. Please let me know whether you can see a setup over here. Please let me know whether you can see setup over here. Please let me know whether you can see setup folder like this in your system. So Varshita is saying yes, Richa is saying yes, the Rakasha is saying yes, Urvi is saying yes, Patani is saying yes, Monish is saying yes, Prince is saying yes, Sahib is saying yes, Pilani is saying yes, Mudassar is saying yes, Mustang, Illuru, Jagdish, Pushpendra, Prasad, Aditya, Jhansi, Robert, Saket, Kedar, Srinath, Douglas, all. Very good. Okay. So, fine. So we should be good till this. Now what I will do, you can click on the setup, right click and just mention setup, right click and this setup, okay, where the application is saying right click and run it as a administrator, right click and run it as a administrator. So you will see something like this. So you had, yes, we were having a zip file and we unzip that over here. Then what we have done, click on the setup, right click and run it as an administrator. Why I am doing it as an administrator? Because only administrator have the privileges to install a database. Only administrator is having a privileges to install a database. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand? Can you see the window like this? Can you see a window like this? Great. Sangam, Surbi, Aditya, Sanket, Monish, Anuja, Pratik, Surbi, Jhansi, Kedar, Astunga, Atharva, Bure Singh, repeat again. Suraj, right click and run it as an administrator. Right click and run it as an administrator. What you need to do, setup, right click and run as an administrator. There is an option called run as an administrator. There is an option called run as an administrator. Please let me know if whether you are able to understand, everyone.